Howdy everyone, this is Grandpa with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're at the Fairway North Fields. And we're in a pretty massive co-working area. So I've walked in and you can see there's some chairs here. You can kind of have a group thing going on. But look at this. I mean, you've got some amazing things here. You've got just really cool areas. People are using these things. This is what it looks like. So you've got some office space here, offices. And then you've got all this over here too. So you've got these free open areas. These slide, well, at least the chair slide. So you can plug in and kind of work out here too. This is in the building where the leasing center is. So you're on the second floor. It's really quiet in here too. It feels great. So it would be a cool place to kind of work from, you know, during the day. To really, really relax and be in the air conditioning, but just not be in your apartment. So anyway, this is what it looks like here, the co-working area. 33 people can fit in here. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing, or if you want to set up a tour, virtual or live anytime, send me a text. Just use the number below.